Welcome to the nest. Alright, so Bitcoin. There is FOMO and there is misinformation also on internet. I see some YouTubers that they believe we are here. This is a previous cycle, and they try to compare this with where we are now. I mean, it's not at all the same slope here. We're not talking at all the same thing. This was a third wave. This is a fifth. You can see that the angle is not the same at all. I mean, look at this trend here, and look at this trend here. You know, you not at all the same angle, and I don't believe we are here. And no, I'm not going to say who's saying that, but I just want to warn people: don't expect explosion of price like here, and I'm making 700%. We're not there. We already passed that stage. And yeah, it was crazy because, you know, I was listening to one YouTuber yesterday, and then it's like, we are here, and we are about to be like a skyrocketing movement now, because we are about here, and it's just the beginning. I don't think so. I mean, I would be so happy to be wrong, but I don't think so. Okay, so top of the third wave, this was the fourth, and now we are on to this fifth wave. Technically, because we already made a higher high compared to this third wave, actually this I should relabel a little bit, because it's misleading. Okay, so this is a bigger third wave, this bigger fourth wave, and now this is the fifth wave. Technically, we already made a higher high compared to the third wave, so this fifth wave could be completed already. Boo! I know. I feel the same, don't worry, I boo myself. Okay, so now diagonal wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Now the question of I want to say $1 million, no, $100,000. Is this fourth wave finished? Well, up to now, what I see from the chart, I need to say perhaps this is the lowest point, so I'm going to put my fourth wave here, but I do not believe. I believe this is a wave. This was the B wave, and we are still working on a C wave, and I'm going to keep moving this little dude aside. Let's go and check my third wave for an accurate reference. Okay, so I really believe that it's very possible that we can reach the $86,000. Now, I'm going to zoom in a little bit more, and the reasoning is this was the A, this is the B, and once again, I keep saying the same things. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Once again, I would have loved to see the third wave go a little bit lower. This is the fourth. So there are two things that don't work really. Not deep enough, the third wave. Too deep momentarily, this fourth wave, and then now working on to this fifth wave. Okay, that's my bearish count, white count. My more bullish count, this is light green. So we have a wave 1 here, and then we had an A, a B, and a C for the wave 2. But now we need to have something more bullish. And now if I do some micro counting, okay, no, just hold on. So for this 1, 2, what I don't like is, look at this. It did momentarily wick below 0.886. So this I don't like. So in fact, now let me go and remove the 0.618. So we're going to have a little bit of a cleaner chart. Okay, so also here, if I say this was a wave 1 and we already completed the wave 2, it's a little bit messed up. If I do some micro counting here, then you can see that we have an ABC, and you know, now I'm usually not that kind of person who's going to make inner counts of inner counts of inner counts, but 3, 4, and 5. So if this is the case, this is a wave 1, this is a very long wave 2, and you can see that up to now is not a bad. Actually, want to take out the 886. I don't know why it's there. And yeah, so we did reach the 0.618, 95,387. And yeah, so if we go lower than 93,532, I'm going to, you know, yeah, lean more on the bearish count. This is a stretch bullish count, and I'm not even comfortable calling this. This is not 5 wave. I know some people count it as a 5 wave. Me, I am sorry. I only see an A, B, C for a possible A wave. This was a very short B wave, and another A, B, C for the C wave, and I count this as a 1 as a diagonal. So yeah, no 5 wave for me. Okay, so this is pretty much all for Bitcoin. You can see that yeah, actually I said that, but I'm not done. We almost touched the MA50, acted as a resistance. Also, we had this short-term downtrend, broke it, used it as a support during the night while we were sleeping. Anyway, for me, maybe you guys, you were awake and excited, and but now we're back down. So what are the chances now that we're going to go lower? Very high to this lower band here. More likely this alarm is going to be triggering today. And in the case, yeah, once again, if we go higher, MA50 has to be broken, and then this is going to be a test also. The longer here, you see the downtrend, it's that initiated really in 19th of January. All right, so this is pretty much all for Bitcoin. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and have a good day.